Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this all-new Halloween plush toy from Strudel Boy. He's great as a Halloween prop or part of your party decor, and kids, adults, and teenagers love him. The Eeriescary talking jack-o'-lantern is here to light up your Halloween, literally. This animated toy tells a Halloween story like no other. Just tap him on the head to reveal an original 3-minute nursery rhyme. Kids love playing with the Eeriescary jack-o'-lantern. For a fun party game, try Tap Tag. Simply tap the pumpkin on the head to start the story, and see if you can keep it away as the kids try to turn it off. Teenagers can use Eeriescary as part of their costumes, and adults love using Eeriescary to entertain the kids when they come to the front door. Make sure you make this Halloween Eeriescary. Coming to Amazon US Halloween 2022 from Strudel Boy, the Fun Makers.